this trailer is gonna leave because we already offloaded the columns, put it there, and that's the another one trailer. It's coming, it's full of columns. So meet this beast, Kobelco. I don't know how many tons, but I will check. Okay, let's go around. Okay, we'll go back a little bit. It's Kobelco. I don't know, 600 ton. Okay, these are the weights. Great. Okay, let's go to this side. That's another one, CKE 600 Kobelco. It's a new one. It's look like a new one. कैसे हैं सर? वीडियो में आना चाहेंगे? नो प्रॉब्लम। ये ऑपरेटर हैं। कहाँ से आप? कश्मीर, पाकिस्तान से। नाम क्या है? क्या ऊपर आ सकता हूँ मैं? ओके। और ये it's from inside, मैं इसका अंदर से करूँगा। Levers and stuff, and here the computer, and I don't know. It's so many stuff. How long you been operating, sir?
18 years.
18 years. Other excavators or other... What is this? How many tons?
This only 60 tons.
60 ton? Anyway, guys, he says it's 60 ton. I know what he's talking about, but no way it's 60 ton. The excavator one, mine, it's 22 ton, but it's... Anyway, now the trailer just came, so these are how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay, these guys are from India, amazing people, very helpful, very friendly, and we have to go all the way. You see, offloading till I don't know how many kilometers it ends. That's the foundation. And I will show you the one we completed already. So okay, so one up. Okay, now it's all together. It's a Chang. It's called Chang sling. I don't know. Look, if I'm wrong, guys, let me know. You need a safety end for this one. So that confirmed this build is very good, in good condition. So it's not gonna break when they pick up the weight. If it's break, of course, you're gonna destroy the trailer. You will hurt people. So okay, it started now, lifting. Now it's getting tight, see? And it's very dangerous. Now where I'm standing, it's very dangerous. If the clips, the belt is tight to, if it's break, so it's gonna hit me straight on my face like a bullet speed. It's a very you have to be very careful on these jobs. So that means pick it up little. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल। कहाँ से आप लोग सर? From राजस्थान। क्या नाम है? अच्छा, ओके। और उसका? Jitender. Yogender. Sarji. Okay. So these all guys from Rajasthan, India. Okay. Okay. So I think they're gonna spin it now. Ah, okay. So they're gonna place it, and after that, so अभी तकरीबन कितने बाकी है? 1 2 3 बाकी है, टोटल 4 लेके आते हैं। इस एक का वजन कितना होता है? 4.5 टन। और कितना लॉन्ग अभी बनाना है? अच्छा, starting 7 kilometer. So they're gonna first build the columns. In the middle they're gonna bring the kind of a bricks ready made, same column, so it's gonna fill up. Guys, I don't have much battery left, so I'm gonna end the video here because they're gonna float another one, the same procedure. So, and guys, take a look. Complete desert. It goes all the way more 7 kilometers. It's just the beginning. We have here Yoginder from Rajasthan, India, of course. Thank you for letting me film, and thank you for the help. And I will give you the channel, okay? Now guys, you see that was the crane where we see the column they were putting. These are the columns they are keeping. You see these one I'm talking about. These are horizontal. You see one and you put another one, boom, that's your wall. So it's going, keep going, and it's just the beginning, 7 kilometers. So guys, if you guys did like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Much love and bye for now.